Hey CAD friends, in this 60-second solid tip, we're talking about dimensioning circles. I know this sounds simple, but there's a couple tricks that I wanted to show you. So in this sketch, we have two circles. If I smart dimension from one to the other, I'm going to get a dimension that's from the center to the center. Now this is fine, but what if you want a dimension from outside edge to outside edge? Well, if I hold the shift key while making my first selection near the outside edge, and then release the shift key and select circle 2, I'm going to get a dimension from the outside edge to the center. If I hold the shift key during both selections, selecting near the outside edge, I'm going to get a dimension that's from outside edge to outside edge. Now if I messed up, I can always just click the dimension point and move it to another location from the center or to the inside. So that's your 60-second solid tip for today, CAD friends. I hope you learned something. I will see you in the next tip.